Brookie, what's the matter?
I'm stuck in the stroller.
You're stuck?
In the stroller.
You're stuck in the stroller? Try to get up.
No.
Oy, oy, oy. What are we going to do with you? We're going to have to cut you out.
No.
Should we cut your legs off?
No.
Honey, how'd you get stuck in the stroller? First, take the baby's food off. How'd you get stuck in the stroller? Brooke, that wasn't too smart to sit in there, now was it? Come, give me your hand.